Hey guys, what's up? Chris here and welcome back to the Ghetto Car Mods channel. I'm not a professional, so I'm just doing this how I do it, and I'm gonna take you along with the ride. I want to kill two birds with one stone, so basically I installed the halo lights and they are installed right there. You can see on the left and right side. So yeah, if you want to see it, check it out. It's on the channel. And basically, we're gonna take these old ugly garnishes and we're gonna place new ones. And here are the new ones right there. We got the left side, right side, and they are sequential. So when I turn, you're gonna see them blink. I got these parts from Alibaba, which is kind of like Chinese Amazon. The two garnishes and the piece to connect everything to your car. It's gonna be a little complicated, but I'm gonna try and make it simple for you. So if you wanna give it a shot, let's get started. So the first step is just to remove these garnishes. In the fog light video, I show you how to remove them. This is probably the most difficult part of the job. So we're just gonna have to try to there. I'm probably gonna end up breaking clips left and right, but it's okay. I got new garnishes. Okay, that one's broken. Almost impossible. Oh, look at that. All right, first thing I want to do is start peeling all these wires, and we want to get to these black ones right here. The shorter black wire will go on this side, closest to the battery, and the longer black side will go towards the right side one, or the left side housing, depending on how you look at it. Push that in no man's land and bring it down to wherever hole this is. And from down here I can see the wire. It's that yellow thing right there. I'm gonna try to grab it. We got it. There it is. And for the left side, this one's gonna be much harder, as you can see, or not. Right there, it's that little hole where the light is, and we're gonna try to shove it down. If you need to, you can use a stick like this and tape it to the end and like shove it down, which is probably what I'm gonna do. Tape the stick, and now we're just gonna put it in there. Oh snap. Hopefully it stays. Please, but I think we should be able to get it. Okay, it's like that yellow thing in the back, right in the middle. So I'm just gonna try to pull it out. Okay, I got it. Now you can plug that black thing into this black thing, but I'm gonna hold it for now and start the wiring. All right, and here we have all the wires. So we're gonna go through each of them. The black wire is the negative wire. The red one, positive wire. Blue one for the blue lights. We're not gonna use this one. This one's optional, but since blue lights are illegal and I already have blue halo lights, it probably looks sick, but we're not gonna use it. Then the white ones are the right hand side turn signals on the farthest from the battery, depending on how you look at it. And then the yellow is the driver's side turn signal. Okay, we'll be starting with the hardest install, which I would say is the turn signals. Just because the turn signal, like to splice the wires, the light bulb thing is right there. Those are turn signal lights. So basically you just want to try to unclip them, and so we can begin the slicing. I'm going to try to reach in like this. My fingers get in there. Press down, and then I'm going to use this hand to try to pull it out. There we go. Okay, I got it out. Alright guys, here's the wire. Here's the yellow. We're gonna strip this and we're gonna tie around this where it's open, because I already spliced it. And yeah, we're gonna tie that around and pull it back in. Alright, I got my wire stripper right here, and then we're just gonna strip just a little. Yeah, now we have exposed wire right here. And now we're just gonna wrap around the gray wire, or the positive wire. I have this black piece of tape, and we're just gonna wrap it around just to make sure it's secured. And then we're just gonna have to pray that it works, because if it doesn't, I'll be very sad. Before we do anything else, we want to test if these lights actually work. So what we'll be doing is plugging it in. So right now we're just gonna connect them just like this. They only go one way. And just to test if they work, you're just gonna connect the red one. You're gonna just touch the wires to the red battery, red to red, and black to black. Now if you want to check the other wires, you gotta touch the color wires to the positive battery. So let's try the blue wire. And blue. Oh. Alright, now let's check the turn signals. Ah, it is working, yeah. And then I checked the right side, it works. Okay, now I'm gonna connect the other turn signal. And yeah, same thing, just like that wire. If you don't want to use electric tape, I also have T-taps. T-taps you can buy at like any AutoZone. And yeah, pretty much just connects the wire together, just like that. Alright, and then I wired the turn signals to the white, like I did, white wire to that side. And now the positive and the negative. Alright, for the positive, I'm gonna cut this off, the top part, because we don't need the ring. So now it looks like that. And we're gonna strip it. Maybe like this much. Hold on. Like that. And boom. Just like that. And twist it just to make it easier to I think I can get into it, but there are daytime running lights right there, the bulb. Let me see if I can point it. Right below the turn signal is the daytime running light bulb, and we just want to connect it to there. And we're probably gonna connect it to the pink or purple wire, one of those wires. Not pink or purple. I said pink or purple. I meant the gray or purple wire. It's either or. And we're gonna splice the wire. We're gonna splice the red one into one of those wires. So yeah. So let's get started. Okay guys, getting to the daytime running lights is like the hardest thing ever. So if this can focus, let me see. Here's my finger. Can you see it? And you want to push down while having a screwdriver pull back. We're gonna pull it out now. Literally the hardest thing ever. And yeah, okay, we got it. Alright, and for the positive wire, we're gonna strip the wire. I already stripped it right here. It's the positive wire, I believe so, the gray one. And I stripped the wire right here, and we're gonna use a T-tap. You can still use electric tape, but I want to use these T-taps because that's what they're meant for. And pretty much just place them together like this. And yeah, just connect the wires. You just want to make sure all the metals are touching each other. T-tap right here. And then metal to metal. And close it. Just make sure they're snug. Because if they're not, then that's really bad. But yeah, that should work. Let's pray that works, because if I have to go to, because I gotta plug it in to see if it works, and if I have to go back in there, it's gonna be crazy. Actually, I don't think I have to plug it in. Let's see if it works. Oh, they do work, just like that. And that's it for the wiring. If you want to use the blue one, all you have to do is connect it to your headlight, to the positive wire. It's like right there somewhere. And yeah, I'm just gonna fix up the wiring, make it look nice, and yeah, we'll put those back on. Alright, wire's done, and just make sure everything turns on, everything works before you put everything on. Now we're gonna just pop those in, and yeah, pretty much done. My friend's shooting a music video around in like half an hour or two. I'm gonna pop out, and my car's gonna be featured in the music video. So yeah, let's clean everything up, maybe get a car wash, and yeah, head out. All right, guys, we are at the car wash, but we're at the hand car wash because yeah, I gotta save time because the music video is at 4:30. And yeah, these guys are washing it by hand. No machines. It's all hands. Alright, yo guys, we're at location right here. Somewhere no one will ever come. But yeah, here's the car. Here's what it's looking like. Oh shit. So sick, it's so bright. Back down there. And that's it, guys. That was the end of today. It's like 10 o'clock right now. And yeah, we just shot a music video. And it turns out that I'm in it. My car is going to be in a music video. Like I said, he's upcoming. The guy from work, but you never know who's gonna be famous or not. So make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.